Okay, the activity we're working on now is called graph integers on horizontal and vertical number lines. And the code is LFR for your 8th grade IXL. And the question says graph 1 and -1 on the number line. Okay, so we have this little pointer and we have to click where they are. So we know these are counting by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we have to grab 1, that would be here. And the opposite of that is -1. So it's going to be here. All right. All right. How about 0 and -5? Well, 0 is in the middle. So we have to figure out, oh, it's right there. It's labeled. Is -5 labeled? Nope. But if this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It's counting by ones. So that's one technique. You have to figure out what you're counting by first and then go ahead and plot those points. So let's jump a level. Graph 2 and -2. So if this is 0 and that's 4, each of these has to be 2, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so forth, right? So you're counting by twos. So 2 would be here. -2 is the opposite, which is over here. 0, -2, -4, -6, and so forth. Okay. Okay. This one is a vertical number line, right? So we have to do 6 and -6. So if this is 0, 2, 4, 6, and -4, that means this has to be -6. Okay. So make sure you know what you're counting by first before you do anything else. So if we have to plot three things now, 4, -4, and -2. So this is 0, 2, 4. We're counting by twos, right? Because it's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so forth. So where would -4 be? We see that right there. And if we're counting by twos, then -2 has to be right there. Okay. This one's a little more complex. -22, -14, and -15. So -22 is on the graph, so we can plot that. What are we counting by? Well, -14 is on the graph too, right? We just need to plot -15. And if this is -16, that means we're counting by ones. That means this has to be -15. Okay, let's do a skip and a hop up to our next level, 75. Here we go. So we've got to plot 2, -5, and -1. So we don't have any of these on the graph. So we have to figure out what we're counting by. So this is 0 and this is 3. That means this has to be 1, 2, 3. We're counting by ones, right? So 2, we just count up 2. 1, 2. -1 means we start here and we go back 1. That's -1. -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay, let's skip up again. We're at 90 now. We'll make this the last couple here. So 5, -10, and 15. So if this is 30 and that's 0, we can't do twos, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That wouldn't make sense. Let's try 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it is by 5. So if I start at 0 and I need to find 5 on the graph, I'm just going to go up here and click. -10, I start at 0. That means two groups of 5 backwards. -5, -10, and +15 would be 0, 5, 10, 15.